Hello, my name is Ian Peterman with Peterman Design Firm, and I'm here talking to Mark from 2plus3 Innovations about some work that we've done together over, I think it's been over a year now working on this project.
Well, exactly.
Yeah. So when you came to me, what were you needing? What were you needing for me to help you?
Well, I'm an architect by profession, and we came up with a household product that we're looking to take to market. Initially, I needed prototype files for 3D printing, so I was interested in somebody who could do the SolidWorks 3D capabilities to help put together a model of our product that we could send in for the prototype work and then ultimately go in for mold production for injection molding.
Have you used a lot of designers before, or is this your first foray into non-architectural work?
It is the first time for non-architectural work. We've done 3D CAD work for architecture, buildings and such, but for an actual product, yes, nothing getting into SolidWorks. Most of the 3D programming was with like Revit or Bentley MicroStation products, but not familiar with the SolidWorks. So I was looking for an individual who had the ability to take our 2D CAD drawings, convert them into the 3D format. Additionally, I was interested in somebody who was local within the state. A lot of designers looking around were out of state, and I think having the ability to be close by, a little more local, so to speak, where we can have the back and forth, make sure we're talking apples to apples on the design of what we want. That was important to me.
Awesome. And so tell me a little bit your experience with me. What did you like? What was good?
Well, I found that I think what I liked was that, like I said, I've worked with a lot of designers, CAD operators, and it's important that we have a thinking designer. And I was able to send you the sketches and try to convey the intent of what I was looking for. And I found that you were very quickly able to understand what I was getting at, and also maybe had a suggestion or two or something that might work better based on your experience with 3D printing and such. So I found that very helpful. It was a real nice give and take back and forth, and I'm looking forward to continuing that relationship on this project and future projects.
Awesome. So how's this helped make your work easier, make the projects work smoother compared to, say, if you hadn't worked with me?
Well, I had worked a couple initial iterations of the design with another designer, and as I indicated earlier, that you're more collaborative effort and such, found that not to be the case. So as soon as you and I hooked up and we were working through the design together, believe me, it's made it a lot easier. You kind of talk in the language of the people when they're doing the 3D printing, understand what it is that they want, they're looking for, and their file types, the requirements for their system that they have for the 3D printing. So I think we're able to kind of have a win-win situation for not only my needs of getting the design and the product correctly, the intent conveyed there, but also when we send it out for the printing, they're able to immediately take your work, give us a prototype, and ship it out within a week.
Awesome. That's what I like to hear. Would you recommend me, and any final things you'd like to add?
Yeah, I think that I wouldn't hesitate at all to recommend you and your firm to anybody who wants to go down that same path for product design as I've been taking. Again, I think the communication is important, and I think we've had a very good communication back and forth. I thought your pricing also was very reasonable. Nothing there. And some places, when I initially were working, they were interested in taking the project over, which I know I had a lot of the questions and things answered in advance. I see that that's not to say that you don't have the ability to help somebody from initial concept idea through completion. In my particular case, I was past that point, and coming in midway through that, you're still able to pick it up, be receptive to what I was presenting, and again, I was receptive to any of the things that you saw that would enhance the direction I was going in. So, yeah, I would definitely recommend you to anybody.
Well, thank you very much for your time, and we look forward to finishing up this project at some point
Yep.
and working on the next ones with you.